Welcome to our second video in our how-to series. Today we will be installing Eave Trim. Your Eave Trim will be installed at the base of your roof before you install your panels. The Eave Trim ensures water properly drains off your roof edge. When you're placing your Eave Trim, overlap the trim by at least 6 inches. Using hand shears, cut a line along the top seam of 2 inches where the trim goes over an edge. The metal edges can be sharp. Remember to always wear gloves when handling the metal materials, and wear eye protection whenever you are cutting the material. Using a hand seamer, fold the bottom portion of the trim in, and then fold the top portion down. Now place the trim and screw it into place with pan head screws. Go from one side to the other. Here is what your trim should look like once it is secured to the roof. Once you have the trim folded around the edge and secured to the roof, screw down the bottom fold using a pan head screw. Then repeat this on the top fold. Remember, we're using a model roof, so your trim may not need to fold over an edge, or may just need one end folded. If you are putting the trim past a slope, cut the top of the trim off at an angle matching the slope of your roof. Then cut the bottom straight along where the eave ends. This will be covered by gable trim later in the install. We are using a straight edge to help us mark the slope. Here is what we mean by cutting at an angle to match the slope. Here is what we mean by cutting where the eave ends. This is what the finished cut will look like. Your cut will be slightly different due to the angle of your roof. The bends help prevent water from seeping in between the layers of trim and panels. If your eave extends around an edge, cut the bottom trim 2 inches past the edge and cutting the top portion out. Your cut should look similar to this. You then can cut the bottom of the trim to be 2 inches over. You have finished installing your eave trim. In the next video, we will show you how to install Goldin panels. Tools you will need: hand shears, hand seamer, gloves, drill, and screws. Visit our website at goldinmetals.com or visit one of our locations for more information or to get a quote for your new metal roof.